Yes, Jahari Davis and No Minecraft. Another furniture add-on.
No Jahari Davis and yes Minecraft. Another furniture add-on. Jahari Davis is the worst troublemaker in one of Andrew Orozco and the other users' videos because he do bad stuffs just like Violee Anderson, Christo Ronaldson, and other troublemakers from the Violee's crew of the main antagonists of Andrew Orozco's movies. And Minecraft, another furniture add-on, is an awesome add-on and offers various furniture blocks, all with the goal of staying vanilla styled and consistently sized, keeping normal blocks and player sizes that can be added to enhance to your home from the Minecraft marketplace. That's it. You're extremely grounded for a week for saying that. Go to your room right now.
Well,